And they're off. Brett's at Caddy showing early speed. T-Mac Whartongrad up there too with some early foot. Then Yazoo Cristo on the outside is up with pace. Never a Dull Moment and Smart Trader racing along in the 6th spot, though only 5 from the front. Here's Long Stride, Midnight Fun third to last position, and Salty Jack and Sterling's Poker Face is 10th and last as they charge past the 5-ace pole. So heading with a far turn, it's T-Mac to the inside and Yazoo Cristo to the outside. They're head-to-head for the lead. Brett set Caddies will watch that speed duel go on with 4 furlongs left to go. Then Never a Dull Moment is in 4th. Smart Trader is in 5th. The others have plenty running to do now. It is Long Stride, then back to Salty Jack. Midnight Fun shuffled out of there, back third last position, and Sterling's Poker Face. And Whartongrad is well last now. 23 was the opening quarter. The half went in 46, 3/5 of a second. Never a Dull Moment showing the way, opening up 3 lengths top of the lane. Brett's at Caddies is second, so it's Never a Dull Moment. Brett's at Caddies. Yazoo Cristo is driven along in 3rd position with a furlong and a half left to go. Never a Dull Moment in front. Never a Dull Moment by 4 lengths. Brett's at Caddies trying to reel in Never a Dull Moment, but looking over to the Laurel grandstand as Brett's at Caddies. In the meantime, Never a Dull Moment is looking to the winner's circle. Never a Dull Moment and Silvia Zapico to score by 3 on the line. Brett's at Caddies was second, and Salty Jack was third. It's close 4th. Midnight Fun in the picture there with Yazoo Cristo. Number 4. $2 exacta, 90.20. Dollar trifecta, $234.40. Dollar superfecta, $1,330.40. Never a Dull Moment. Bred in Pennsylvania by Godstone Farm. 2-year-old bay caught by Activist at a Storied Moment by Artax. Time for the 7 furlongs, 126.01. Never a Dull Moment, owned by Lee Christian, trained by Hamilton Smith, with Silvia Zapico aboard. The 4th race welcomes Baywoods of Annapolis, scratch 4 Carpetbagger. Number 3 Determining, Blinkers On 3 Determining. 5th race, scratch 7 Float Your Boat, 10 Walk-Off Winner, 11 Exhilarate.